Okay, so it's early. That's just 6, maybe 20th or 6 a.m. I think it's June 5th, whatever. It's a Monday. I have 2 lines out. This one's a Daiwa 9-foot rod with the Daiwa BG 8000 reel on it with 50-pound braid. It's 2-drop rig I make, just 30-pound mono, and I think this one has size 3 odd hooks on it, circle hooks. And then I have this other setup over here with the star rod. I think it's 9 foot also, and this has 30-pound braid matched with Daiwa BG 4500, and it's the same type of rig except the hooks are smaller. And I think they're like size 6 hooks or something like that. They're small, almost like little J hooks. So I'm using this. I'm trying to use this a little more shallow, but the current is still really pulling to the right here. Even though I have 5-ounce weights in these guys, I'm still getting drug around. I'm about to go up in weight, I think. I thought it was going to be a little calmer today. It's been really rough the last couple weeks here. So we'll see. We'll see if it makes something happen. Fish on. It feels small. It's probably another tiny little whiting. Do I keep it if they're over 12 or 13 inches? What do I do? It's my last day here. I don't know what to do. I'm sure this is small though, so I can feel a little fight, but it's very faint. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, he's tiny. Alright, that makes my decision a little easier. These are really small fish. Oh my god. Henry, look! A little fish. Oh my god, look how small this is. What the heck is it? It's a baby little whiting. Jesus. It might be the smallest fish I've ever seen.
Here, bud. You can't like dive into the sand. Come here. You don't. Ready?
That was a bad throw.
Ready here.
I think his eyes are bothering him. Just throw it.